Good day, gang. Mostafa here. Hope all is well. So in the past few weeks, I've been talking to a few clinic owners about growth and profitability and, taking the business to high six figures or to seven figures. And a recurring theme was happening, or it was going on. And that is, so we want to grow the business. We want to bring more sales. And there's a goal, let's say, to get $1 million or to $3 million. And there's also a belief that says, I do not like to sell. I hate selling. I don't want to be seen selling, and I don't want to be salesy, which is on the opposite end of the goal of growing the business and scaling and becoming more profitable. So what we did was we did a review of what sales is and what it does for the business. So basically, without sales, there's no business. We are in business to sell. There's an exchange of value or product for money, and you deliver a service or product, and you get paid in return. Now, it's the sales and the money that pays for the mortgage, pays for everyone's wages, it pays for the food and everything else, without which we can't live. There is no business. Right? And with a lack of it, we'd be in all sorts of problems and troubles. So what we did is we kind of focused on how this belief that I don't want to sell or sales is bad is hurting us, hurting our staff, and hurting our customers. Right? So kind of worked on reversing that idea, and we had some good aha moments about sales and how it's actually not a bad thing. Now, we don't want to be pushy, we don't want to be, too salesy, but there's nothing wrong with selling. If someone has a problem, they have shoulder pain, neck pain, toothache, or any sort of problem or injuries that they have, they come in, we take care of them, and we get paid in return. There's nothing wrong with that. That's the nature of business. Even if you are running a non-for-profit or a charity, there's still a sales process involved. You sell people an idea of delivering a product or service, and you sell people on the idea of volunteering with you or for the company or the organization, and in return they get the bragging rights, or they get the volunteer experience. And the more important part is we need to sell for fundraising. We sell them on the idea of giving us funds, and supporting our organization is good for them, good for the society, and all sorts of sales process that comes along with that. So sales is not a bad thing. Doing tricky stuff and being unethical in sales, yeah, that's bad, but we don't promote or do or want to do anything unethical when it comes to sales. So hopefully that helps. And if there's any opinions or any ideas that are blocking you from your reaching your goal, you want to identify what that blockage is and figure out whether this is helping or hurting you, and go from there. If you have any questions, let me know. We have our upcoming quarterly planning workshop coming soon. Check out the link on the comments below, and see how you could benefit from that. Looking forward to working with you. If you have any questions about what I talked about, you could send me a message or comment below, and we'll get back to you. Have a great day. Bye now.